Hello class 4 children. Today we will do kinds of nouns. Now we already know what is noun. So kinds of nouns. So you have learned that a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, things. So nouns are usually classified into different kinds. According to your book, if you will see what? Common noun, and then proper noun, and collective noun. So let's see what does these means: common, proper and collective. So a common noun denotes a person, place or thing in general. So when we talk in general, suppose city, mountain, boy, monument. So in general, when we talk about it, it is called common noun. Now, what is a proper noun? Denotes a particular person, place or thing. For example, any particular name or special name given. For example, city. Name of a city, a noun. So when we talk in general, we say city. But a specific name given to that city is what? Mumbai. So that is what? Proper noun. Now, mountain. Mountain in general we say. But name of a mountain is what? Mount Everest. Another thing, in general when we talk. Boy. But which boy? In general we are talking. But if we give a boy has a specific name, that is a proper noun. For example, David. Monument. Which monument? Special name given to that monument. For example, Taj Mahal. So you see, city, mountain, boy, monument. These are all what? Common noun. And special name given to it is what? Proper noun. And notice here that proper noun always begins with capital letter. That special name given to that city, mountain, boy, monument, that always begins with capital letter. Now what is collective nouns? So, collective noun denotes a collection of people, animals or things. For example, collection of people or any things like bunch. Bunch of what? Bunch of keys. Army. Group of cattle. They are in group. We call herd. So let's do few examples and you will come to know the differences of common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. So examples you see. These blankets are new, made in Ludhiana. So here the common noun is what? This is the common noun, blankets, no specific name. But made where? Which place? Name of a particular place. That is what? Ludhiana. So this is a proper noun. And this is what? Common noun, and this is proper noun or special noun. Next, Sujata loves to play with her baby kitten. Sujata again is the name of a girl. So girl will become what? Common noun. And Sujata is proper noun. Loves to play with her baby kitten. So Kitten will be common noun. Why? Because there's no specific name, particular name given to that kitten. So you see here, Ludhiana, since Ludhiana is a proper noun, L is what? Capital letter. And then Sujata, name, also a beginning of a sentence. So children, common noun, nouns denotes, common nouns denotes persons, places, animals or things in general. Okay? And proper nouns denotes a particular persons, places, animals or things, and it always begins with capital letter. For example, common noun, let's see. And then proper noun or special noun. So here examples: common noun girl, proper noun Sarah. River, common noun, and special name. River can be any river, but if a name is given, that is what? Yamuna, capital Y. Month, in general when you speak, month. January. Pencil, which pencil? Then you know we use Nataraj, Apsara and many more. So Apsara, this is what? Special name. So children, this is what today we have done: common noun and proper noun, and also a bit of collective noun, which we will do that in detail in the next video, and also with common noun and proper noun. So what you do is go through my video, look at the examples that I have given, and also read the first page of your grammar book, chapter 8, kinds of nouns. Till then children, bye.